So first things off, we need to ensure that our nails are nicely filed because we don't want to snag our hair with some crooked nails. And I'm starting off with really dirty, old, over a month, probably a month and a half, blow dried hair, which is in desperate need of hydration. And I'm going to completely saturate my hair with water because, you know, that's obviously really important, and it takes quite a while because my hair is so thick. And I'm going to then separate it into 4 sections. So the products we're going to be using, these are the contenders, more details in the description bar below. And working each section, I'm going to shampoo my hair, and if you notice, I'm only focusing on my scalp. I'm not trying to, you know, completely shampoo the whole shaft of hair. I'm going to be focusing on my scalp, rubbing it, not scratching it, and I'm going to shampoo each section twice, making sure it is really washed, because at this point my hair needed a deep cleanse, hence why I shampoo twice. And so as you can see, I'm going in, shampooing my hair, then rinsing it all out, and then sectioning it off again, and then moving over to different sections. So I'm going to shampoo each section twice, focusing on the scalp, and the water will obviously bring the shampoo to the whole shaft of the hair, so it will be washed. I just don't want to obviously dry out my hair. I only focus on the roots. Then I'm going to detangle my hair. My hair was very knotty, very, you know, tangly, so I'm going to be using the conditioner, and I'm going to finger detangle because there's no way I could have gotten a comb through my hair at this point because it was incredibly knotty. I hadn't combed my hair in probably over a month and a half, and so there's a lot of shed hair, and you will see that at the end of the video. So working in each section, I'm going to finger detangle my hair. If you want a video on how I finger detangle, then go ahead and let me know below. And then once I've gotten the majority of the tangles out, I'm just going to go in with a wide tooth comb to make sure everything's nicely detangled. And then I'm going to add the deep conditioner. And I'm literally going to saturate my hair with this to just ensure each section, you know, is not lacking in any bit. And as you can see, my hair is finally coming back to life. You can see some definition, and I'm going to rake it in through every strand, and then I'm going to comb it through to ensure it's evenly distributed. I'm then going to put that section away. To summarize, I shampooed each section twice, and then I finger detangled using some conditioner. I then went in with a comb to make sure there were no knots. I then obviously added the deep conditioner, raking that in with my hands, and then I combed that through. And once I've combed it through, I'm just going to section it away. And as you can see, my hair is incredibly moisturized at this point. I'm going to put it away, and I'm actually going to sleep in that, and at the end you're going to be left with a nice little present, perfect for this time of year. Jokes. And so this is actually the morning after. I went about the rest of my day, and I slept in this conditioner because my hair was incredibly dry. So I'm just going to unravel everything. I'm just going to rinse it out, not everything though, because I do like to keep just a little bit in my hair. And as you can see, I'm just rinsing off my hair, and you can see that my hair has completely transformed. Before, it was very coarse, very dry, very much in need of some attention, and now it's just looking so revitalized and just full of life. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to join the family, and I hope to see you on the next video.